Hello and welcome to this lecture on not so much PyCharm but more project layout. Okay, so within PyCharm, how we're going to structure our project and how we're going to lay out all of our folders. So project layout, just like the design of your code itself, the layout and folder structure play a crucial role in the smooth functioning of your code. A well-organized structure makes it easy to locate code, manage new additions, and onboard new staff members. Periodically, it is beneficial to dedicate a few weeks to refactor and tidy up scripts and structures that require reorganization. This practice greatly contributes to the maintaining of your sanity and enhancing efficiency. While my codebase layout feels logical to me, yours will feel logical to you as well. However, it is important to note that what may seem good initially can become problematic when we create large code repositories without taking a step back to assess the overall picture. I've encountered several companies where all the code was crammed into one folder or two folders, with some files containing tens of thousands of lines of code. And it's chaotic. It's hard to look through these files, and it's very easy for accidents to happen, people to overwrite them. So just don't do that. So yeah, that's chaotic. Hence, in this lecture, we're going to quickly just explore how we should set up our files, our folders, and better organize make better organization for our future development. Here is an example of my rigging tools folder. Each folder here contains subfolders, scripts, and tests within the test folder to check that the functionality is running as expected. The naming is lower snake case. Now, when looking through the folders, it is easy to see where animation tools should go, maybe a new deformer tool, or even some pipeline code that we need to version up our current rig files. All our code starts to make sense to us. So start as you mean to go on and keep your life simple and easy. And just keep all your code organized. It's the best probably advice I can give you if you take away anything from this course. Okay, but thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you on the next course. I think that's the last of our theory courses. Now we're going to start getting stuck in with the practical courses and actually start making our nodal setup. I look forward to that, and I'll see you in that lecture. Bye.